This video does contain an affiliate link to Quictent. So if you use one of the links to purchase a product from Quictent, I do receive a commission. But if you do use one of the links, use the promo code Greg 8% to get a little discount. Hey guys, as many of you know, I live down on the Alabama Gulf Coast. And in this video, Quictent has sent me a 10x10 pop-up beach canopy, or just a beach canopy tent that I'm going to use down on the beach. Let's take a look at it. And this is the Quictent 10 foot by 10 foot pop-up canopy in royal blue. Quictent sent this to me to demo and promo for you. So let's get it unboxed and see what we think. It comes with what appears to be a powder-coated heavy-duty frame, a little bag of accessories there, the royal blue cover, and a carry bag. I tried to drag this in, I took it out of the box, but didn't realize the wheels aren't on it yet. I guess those are in the convenient bag. I'll put those together in just a sec. There it is with the wheels on the carry bag. That'll make transporting it a lot easier. The box did list the weight of it. The whole box, the shipping box, was just under 43 pounds. We'll go ahead and take a look inside this accessory bag and see what's included inside there. Inside the accessory bag are the wheels for the carry bag, some tie-down straps, some anchors, and I'm assuming some weighted sandbags that would use. That's exactly what it is. That is awesome. So my 10x10 Quictent pop-up canopy came with this very thick blue cover that has the silver lining, powder-coated heavy-duty frame, a carry bag that does have the roller wheels. It came with tie-down cords, tie-down stakes, and I don't know if it's supposed to come with 6 or 4, but this kit had 6 of these sandbags that you can fill with sand, and they can velcro to the legs, the 4 legs of the tent, and it also has the little handle, a carrying handle, that you can tie down to also. On each of the 4 leg posts at the top, it does have this little Velcro that the cover Velcros to. And then in addition to the Velcro to the frame itself, they have these little tie downs that Velcro down. There in the center, before we set it up, there is this little single position post that you can raise up, and it locks onto this post here. It has a twist release, but it allows for a single person raising and setup of the tent. What we're going to do first, we're going to put the cover over the frame in this position and attach each of the 4 leg covers to the cover using the Velcro on the cover and the frame. On the underside of the cover, there are these little Velcro tabs that attach to each of the legs. We'll attach all 4 legs, and then I'll show you how we raise it with a one handle positioning underneath. And this is the one-person knob that you can use to unlock and raise the center. If you turn this, it unlocks and comes loose for disassembly. And to go up, just push it onto it, it locks up, and there you have it. It does have the vents at the top. And this is how the cover attaches to the leg post with these Velcro pieces. Again, it does have the silver reflective liner, the vents at the top. Again, in addition to the Velcro straps that hold the canopy to the frame at the top, each of the fabric legs has a little Velcro that Velcros to the frame itself. So the elastic strap Velcros down. It also has these very easy to use single push. Well, let me set this so you can see it. Hold on. Needed 2 hands. You push it, single release right there to raise the tent. It does have these little tile points here where you can tie the anchor points to. Or you can do like I'm going to do. I've got the sandbags I'm going to use on the legs. And I also bought some little disc weights. I did purchase these disc weights to help give it more support. And they just sit over the base. I got a couple for each leg. And I'm going to use the sandbags because I'm planning on using this on the beach just to give it a little extra stability. And there you have it, the 10x10 Quictent pop-up canopy. Again, it does have single person attached lift there. This video does contain an affiliate link to Quictent. If you do use the link to make a purchase, I do receive a commission. But when you do use that link, use the code GREG8% to get a little bit of a discount. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.